Hello everyone. China has been and continues to be the world's most populous country for centuries. But according to official census data, China's population grew at its slowest rate since the 1950s to 2020. It now stands at 141.2 million people, with the rate of growth falling from the 4 consecutive years. Last year, 1.2 million babies were born in China, down from 1.465 million in 2019, a fall of 18% in 1 year. As per census data released by its own National Bureau of Statistics, the country's fertility rate has dropped to 1.3, far below the replacement level of 2.1 required for a generation to have enough children to replace it. Right now, the biggest problem is that working age people are reducing in China, and if this crisis keeps going, China's population can halve within the next 50 years. So the biggest question is, will China go extinct, or are they preparing to overcome this crisis? We will know everything in this video. So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. China has announced that it will allow couples to have up to 3 children, after census data showed a steep decline in birth rates. China scrapped its decade-old one-child policy in 2016, replacing it with a 2-child policy which has also failed in China, as women entering their reproductive lives in the 1960s gave birth to an average of about 6 children. Today this number is between 1 and 2. And the number will rise if the government begins to provide free subsidies to families with 2 children, such as free meals or free schooling, or anything else that would assist couples in reducing the burden of their child. If we talk about the fact here, fertility tends to decline as countries get richer. It is well known that China grew faster over the past 20 years. That is why it is possible that the today fertility rate should be low, and people may not want to have 2 children even if allowed. If this is the case, then the China birth rate may not increase in the future, or it may, but very slightly. China's aging problem will take decades to solve. As a result, it's likely that in the future, the government may provide free schooling or lower taxes for family with 2 children, and then sure, this can help couples to think about having a second or third child in this competitive era. And in the future, I believe that the Chinese government will begin to grant free schooling and other advantages to couples with more than 2 children. Meanwhile, they will also begin to restrict benefits for couples with 2 children or who have no children at all. However, the issue of low fertility rates is not limited to China. The whole world is dealing with the issue. In Singapore, the fertility rate is 1.1, Hong Kong 1.12, Spain 1.3, Italy 1.3, Canada 1.5, United States 1.7, China 1.7. And a good fertility rate is around 2.1, means every woman should have 2.1 children to replace its dying population. So what's next? How will the world fertility rate issue be solved? And what caused this problem in the first place? But that's the story for some other video.